Another beautiful Fabric Fun Friday, this time with a tablecloth. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful curtain. No sewing involved. And I'm using a kitchen curtain tension rod that I placed here because it was a lot easier to work with than to hang it on my window. And make sure you guys can see it well. So as you can see, I'm starting with the tablecloth, and I'll give you all the dimensions for the tablecloth that I used. And I'm just pleating and overlapping my fabric, my tablecloth, to the front of it. So what you also going to need is going to be double-sided Velcro. That's what also I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to take it from the back, and I'm sorry, I should have taken a better shot from the back, but I couldn't. And all I did was hold it with my hand and twist it so that in the front, I would have the right side of my fabric. I made the pleated side too long, so now I'm going to adjust a little bit. This opening is at the closest opening I had to my window. So as you can see, I just pinched the fabric in my hands, and you keep adjusting the pleats so that it comes the way you want it to come. You make the loop in the center as deep or not deep as you want it. And just keep bringing your hands and play with those beautiful folds that created themselves by the fabric pleats and the way you pinched it on that side. And this is where we're going to place our Velcro, which I was going to do here. However, I decided not to. I decided to put my curtain up on my window and then do the Velcro, so everything was going to be in place. And again, you guys, it's just really playing with those pleats to make them lay nicely. That's all it is to it. And then the other part that you see wrong side of the back, what you can do with that is also take a hair tie and tie it up. And that's also going to create weight from the back, so your curtain will stay nicely. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed it. And also, Fabric Fun Friday. See you guys soon.